This is a brief video on how to upload your Zoom recording files downloaded to your desktop to Google Drive. You will find your recordings either in the My Reynolds Zoom portal or your Canvas course. You would click on the Recordings tab. Here you can see the titles of several recordings. If you want to delete any of the recordings, you would just check the box and then delete. Notice that these recordings some have multiple files, 4 files, 7 files, 8 files, etc. That is determined prior to the recording. So in this particular meeting, there are 7 files. Once inside of a recording, you'll notice that you can download 1 file at a time, you can download all 7 files, etc. You want to keep in mind that these files all have various sizes. You can see these first 2 are shared screens. They are a gigabyte. If you upload that file into any platform to replay, it will take longer to buffer than, say, this speaker view file that's only 494 megabytes. So let's download speaker view. You can just click the download arrow. Once you download, it will ask for you to either open or save the file. We want to click Save the File. Keep in mind, this will be the file name. EdTech is in the middle of that, but they aren't always going to be as clear. Once we download these, we can rename them. While files are downloading, you want to log into My Reynolds and go to your Gmail account. Once you're in your Gmail account, you'll click on the Google Apps icon here and go to your Drive. Once inside of Drive, we recommend that you add or create a new folder for your Zoom recordings. You could call it Zoom recordings, you could call it lectures. Here we've named this lectures. Files can be either added by dragging them to this space or file upload or folder upload from your desktop. We're just going to drag them over. On a personal computer or a college PC, you would simply go to Downloads to locate your files. On a college laptop that is connected to OneDrive, you will click on OneDrive, Downloads, and here you will find your files. If you need to rename your file to make it something more recognizable, you would right-click, scroll down to Rename, and you could name this English 111 Spring 21 MP4. You could also take these 3 files and carry them over or put them on another folder on your desktop. That's totally up to you, and upload the entire folder. However, what we're going to do now is we're just going to drag these over. I've already created a lectures file folder. I'm going to click each one of these and hold down my cursor and just drag these over and drop them in to the lectures folder. Once files have been uploaded to Google Drive, you will see the process of uploading. Because these are video files, these will take longer than normal smaller files. You will know that these files have been uploaded completely when you see a green check. Since the VCCS Google Drive accounts integrate with Canvas, it is easy to give students access to your folders and lectures via your Google Drive. Keep in mind, students must use their VCCS email account to authorize within Canvas in order to view your folders and files. Often, students attempt to use a personal Gmail account, which will not work within the Canvas environment. In order to change the sharing, you would either right-click on a folder or a file, click Share, and right now, this automatically is shared with anyone in the Virginia Community College system. They can view all of the videos in this particular folder. If you wanted to change that for collaboration or commenting purposes, you would click Change and come over to Viewer and check Commenter or Editor, which means a student could actually edit your folder or files, and you may not want them to do that. But for the sake of these videos, Viewer is the preferred and probably the best permission. Then we say Done, and then you can integrate these into Canvas. If you have any questions, please email technologytraining@reynolds.edu.